Welcome to Jackie's Trading Workshops. This new video series is made on Zoom when I'm talking with my current and former mentoring students. We're discussing new strategies, new indicators, and we're working on shaping the edges of the participants. Also, discussing market behaviors and some price action analysis. If you want to join us live, and have this experience of live talk, a group talk, you can do it by either buying the Turning a Loser into a Consistent Winner video program or by joining the group mentoring. You can do it by clicking the link down below the video or by messaging me on my Discord. If not, you just need to wait until I will upload some of them on the YouTube. I hope you will enjoy this series as I do. Trade safe and see you in the next video.